Right, so welcome back to another vlog. Been a minute still, but we're here again. Back to Mauritius for the first time in like 7 years. 2015 the last time. Forgot how hot it was. I was dressed in like trackies and everything. I'm boiling off the plane. Look at that. Oi, oi. 8 in the morning. Technically my body feels like it's 4 AM because of the time difference, but yeah, had a good sleep, eh? Let's see what it brings. Right, so just picked up the bags. We're gonna be heading out of customs, getting out to Mauritius. Got my cousin Nuza picking me up. I'm gonna show you the drive, and this is honestly from southeast of the island. We're gonna go bang into the middle, right, of the island. It's gonna take us like half hour. That's how tiny this island is, yeah. But enjoy the ride, enjoy the views. I'll see what I can grab over the next few days, and yeah, stick along for the ride. Right, just waiting for family to pick me up now. Oh my god, this heat! Allow the hair. Oof. 9 in the morning and it's already 28 degrees. Like, this is going to be one hot holiday.